What I have here is a 2018 Subaru Impreza. I'm doing the brakes on it today, the front pads. And one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to take the cap off the brake reservoir. And then once you take the wheels off, you got number 14. Number 14 takes these right here off. Alright, I'd already loosened them. Alright, once you take them off, there you go. It's got dual pistons. So when you're bringing in the dual pistons, when you're pushing them back in, remember you gotta make sure that you do them even. Check out the old pads. Alright. There's that one out. Get the new ones out. There's that one. There's that one. Alright. Alright. Pushing the pistons back in. I got a C-clamp right here. And what I do is I try to get closer than the middle as possible. But when I push a little bit, then I move it and clamp it over here. And then I just keep going back and forth with it. And then move it to where it clamps right here and right there. Alright, when you put them back in, you got these little clips right there and right there. So when you put them back in, you got to put this clip in that one first, and it just bends that one over, and then you you put that one on, just like that. And then you do the same thing for the reverse side. Oh, and another thing, I don't open when I'm doing them. So there's when they're pushed all the way in, I don't open the bleeder valve on the calipers, because I take the cap off of the reservoir. That's why I actually do that, so I don't have to mess with the bleeder valve. Some people agree with it, some people don't. I've been doing it this way for 15 years. I've never had a problem with it. That's what they look like. Alright. Also, you want to take these out right here. Remove these. You want to make sure you grease these. Yeah, they just pull out. You want to make sure you grease these. Put a little grease on your brake pads. and then you take your clamp back off. Actually, I'll see if I can do it now. It was all lopsided out, huh? Got that one. There we go. Get that one. Alright, might have to raise it up a little bit, but alright, got that one's in. Alright. And then let me let me see if I can line this one up. I gotta put it in the phone. Once you got that on, go ahead and put your wheel back on. And this right here is a 3/4 inch socket. And I'm finished up by making sure it's tight with a lug wrench. Just do the other thing on the other side. And cool thing about, I mean, I'm using that kind of little jack right there, but you can take this right here and jack that up with it, and it goes up in a matter of seconds. So that's another little tip. But